Hi everyone, I'm Shubham Jhor. I'm a master teacher at Vedantu. We are discussing KVPY 2018 Essay Part 1 Mathematics, and the question for this video is this. A 100-mark examination was administered to a class of 50 students. Despite only integer marks being given, the average score of the class was something non-integer, which is 47.5, which is very much possible. Then the maximum number of students who would get marks more than the class average is. 4 options. Let's solve it. Now here, can all the students get more than average marks? Absolutely not. Because then the average would not be what it is. So there are 50 students, so all 50 students can't get more than average marks. So let's say 49 students, let's say get more than average marks. Yeah. And to maximize the number of students who would get more than average marks, I would take a number which is just greater than 47.5, an integer which is just greater than 47.5, so that I can possibly maximize the number of students who, who would get more than class average marks. So let's see if it is at all possible. So 49 multiplied by 48 is what? It is 2352. What about the sum total of all marks got by all the 50 students? It is 50 multiplied by the average 47.5, which will turn out to be 2375. So that means the remaining one student would get 2375 minus 2352, 23 marks, which is less than average, and which is also an integer. Why? Because integer marks are being provided. So that means this is just fine, because 49 is the maximum possible number that we can get, because it can't be 50. All 50 students can't be getting more than average marks. So with 49 students getting just more than average marks, 48, we are indeed getting that the 50th student would be getting less than average mark 23, which is an integer. So with all conditions satisfied, that means the maximum number of students who would get marks more than the class average is 49. So thanks for listening. Stay tuned for the next question.